You're red. Right.
Dude, just ask your mom. If she says no, then my mom will.
Okay, call my mom.
She's gonna ask your mom.
She's right there.
Just too green.
Yeah, that's 30. It's 31-1 in this constellation. Dude, call my mom, yeah?
It's calling.
Dude, you call her. You talk to her.
Dude, my mom's saying that you're fine in it. She said that she could pick us up on her way when Mama gets home. Just call her if we are we gonna get close to it?
I don't know. Text Fanny. Text. Ask her when he's gonna bring the food or something. It was right when you called to pin the timer now.
I think it's a pin. I hit it right when she hit me.
Alright. So
Yeah, but what did the clock say? Did you hit him exactly when the clock said 0?
Yeah, I
Clock says 0, right when I called the pin?
Yeah, I did. Right when I put stop, it was already by 0.
So the time expired before he slapped him out, or he slapped him out first?
I can say it was both at the same time. It was both at the same time.
It's your decision.
Oh, 3 new balls.
Nice.
I went to 0 before he hit.
Oh.
That's alright. Hit on bottom of the pin, but he didn't fall.
Yeah.